Where's John? Oh.
Hey, it's me, John. You ready to get fucked up? Welcome to Pine Island Pond, the most haunted pond in America. We got a Ouija.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
That's how you see demons. Put it back in.
We got a Ouija board, and we got the woods. And you know what that means? It means we're gonna use the Ouija board in the woods. Are there any spooks here? Oh!
Okay, someone's moving it.
Which one of you fucks is moving it? Oh, what's your name then, Mr. Spirit? Oh, A S S S S who? I whoa W A N T. I want. What do you want from us, Spirit? U R A S S. I want your ass. What? No. He hungers. What do you mean?
What do you
hungers? What the fuck?
Where'd Caleb go?
I don't know. Who did that?
Ass.
Whoever
You wrote ass on the board?
I don't know, whoever wrote ass and blood on the Ouija board must really want our ass.
Whatever.
What's that?
Is that Bigfoot?
Not again. Remember him, Mason? Hey, remember him from that last video we did with Bigfoot?
He's back!
Hey, no, remember that, guys? Hey, remember Bigfoot? That was a pretty funny episode, right? Look at us now.
Man, you already know I'm coming to eat that ass.
You okay? Out of here! Why are we going the opposite way of the exit?
Have you ever seen a horror movie?
Yeah?
This is where we're supposed to go. It's for development and story.
Get out of here!
Whoa!
What is that?
Is that a ghost?
I am
What
also hungry for ass.
You want to eat our ass? Hey,
Hey!
that's the spirit. Dude, I don't want them to eat my ass, man. My ass is precious. Ah! Oh, it's Caleb.
It's Caleb.
I thought you were dead.
Oh, well, I am dead. I'm a ghost now.
What?
Whoa.
Well, what?
What are you doing?
What the fuck?
What was that for?
I'm still hungry for ass.
Well, dude, do you know how to destroy these ass-eating demons?
Well, you gotta destroy the board, but I don't want you to do that.
Why?
'Cause you destroy me.
Okay.
Please stop hitting my ass. Hey.
Okay, this is not
Hey,
okay.
come
Caleb,
back- come
Caleb,
back
Caleb.
here. Come back here.
Leave him alone. Hey! Hey! Hey!
No!
Run!
I trusted you.
Alright, we gotta find the board.
What the fuck? There it is. I see the board. We gotta destroy it.
Here. Jeez, what's with the blood everywhere?
Oh shit! This is like straight out of like every horror movie fucking ever.
What the hell?
Enough. It is time to feast on your ass.
No, you can't have my ass.
Try me, bitch. I've eaten more ass than you ever will.
It belongs to me. This is mine. Ah!
Oh, God!
Ah!
We gotta
Ah!
Ah! It's in there! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Ah!
Ah!
How do you like
How
it?
do you like it, you pedo?
Now I can see why the ghosts like ass so much, because this is thick. We destroyed it.
Alright, let's go.
We can finally escape the ass-eating forest. Or the Pond Island Pond, whatever I said it was. Yeah!
Fools, this isn't over. My thirst for ass will never be quenched. I'll be back. I always come back.
Eat all the leverage you can get.
Thank you.
I'm going home.
Bye.
Bye.
Fuck you, you ruined it.
Welcome to Pine.
Caleb's so wearing
Shut
the
the
fucking
fuck
gorilla
up.
suit.
Take off the gorilla suit. You ruin everything. You are literally human filth. You don't count as an actual person. You're only here because we need you. You're literally expendable. Get the fuck back over
I'm
there.
leaving.
Going in the woods to see some demons and eat their ass.
And eat their ass.
And eat their ass.
And eat their ass.